Welcome back to Summarize Science. In today's world, it's getting incredibly hard to tell if an image you see online is real or fake. From AI-generated art to subtle photo manipulations, the line between reality and fiction is blurring more every day. This creates huge problems, like the spread of misinformation and online fraud. Until now, fighting this required a whole box of different, confusing tools, each designed for a specific type of forgery. But what if there was one smart system that could handle it all? Researchers have developed a new framework called UniShield, which acts like an all-in-one digital detective for forged images. It's designed to automatically figure out not just if an image is fake, but what kind of fake it is, where the forgery is located, and why it's considered fake. As you can see in this example, it can take a suspicious image and produce a detailed, easy-to-understand report. So how does it do this? UniShield uses a clever, multi-agent system, which you can think of like a two-person detective team. First, the perception agent acts as the lead detective, taking a first look at the image. It makes two crucial decisions. First, it determines the likely crime scene, or what general category of forgery it's dealing with, like a manipulated document or a deepfake face. Then, it decides on the best investigative approach. Some forgeries have what are called semantic errors, things that just don't make logical sense, like the jets flying unrealistically low in this example. For these cases, it chooses a powerful tool that understands context and reasoning. Other fakes have subtle, low-level artifacts, like weird pixels or edges that a human would almost certainly miss. For those, it selects a more traditional, pixel-focused tool that's better at spotting these tiny technical clues. Once the right tool is selected from its comprehensive toolbox, the second agent, the detection agent, gets to work. This agent runs the deep analysis and gathers all the evidence. Then, in a really innovative step, it uses a powerful AI like GPT-4 to write up the final, structured forensic report. This report, shown here, breaks down all the findings, explaining everything from inconsistent lighting to contextual conflicts, making the results understandable for anyone. And the results of this whole system are seriously impressive. As the data shows, UniShield significantly outperforms other methods, including both general-purpose models and even specialized tools trying to detect fakes in their own domains. So, to recap, UniShield is an adaptive AI framework that acts like a master detective for fake images. It uses a perception agent to intelligently analyze an image and select the perfect detection tool for that specific job. It then consolidates all the findings into a clear, interpretable report, explaining exactly how the image was forged. What does this mean for the future? Tools like UniShield could become essential for social media platforms, news organizations, and forensic investigators to quickly and reliably verify visual content. As AI image generation gets even more sophisticated, having a robust and unified defense like this will be critical in the fight against misinformation. It represents a huge step towards building a more trustworthy and secure digital ecosystem. That's all for this episode of Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.